Apple Pay is a way for people to pay safely using their iPhone, iPad, or Apple Watch. When you use Stripe, which is a service for online payments, you can also accept Apple Pay in places where it works. So the good news, there's no extra fees for using Apple Pay, and the costs are the same as regular card payments. Now, to use Apple Pay, what you're gonna have to do is your customers actually first need to set up on their device and use Safari web browser. If they have everything ready, Apple Pay will show automatically when they want to pay. But out here on our side, let's go to our website. We want to add Apple Pay. So 1 second. So I'll go on this website. And then from here, we're gonna click on Online Store, Manage Store, and then from here, we can click on Payments, and from Payments, we can add Stripe, right? And now, after we add Stripe from here, we're gonna have to go to Stripe, and then here on Stripe, we're gonna have to go to Settings. Please click on Settings, and then here you're gonna click on Payments, and then from Payments, go to Payment Method, and then from here, just add Apple Pay, okay? And if it's not active for you, if it's turned off, make sure you turn on. Make sure you enable Apple Pay. And then, as I said, if it's not enabled, it's not turned on, just click on turn on. And that's what you need to do. So I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching and take care.